Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 8 on the topic assignment. I am repeating, today our topic is assignment. Students, you have already submitted your first assignment and today's assignment number is number 2. So, today's assignment number is number 2. Students, now I am going to discuss about your second assignment of Bangladesh and Global Studies. So, listen to me carefully. Look students, this is our second assignment of Bangladesh and Global Studies, and from chapter 2, the liberation war of Bangladesh, you have to give the answer of the asked topic. And you can take help from the lessons. Lesson 1, background of liberation war. Lesson 2, historical speech of 7th March and the Bengalis preparation for liberation war. Lesson 3, the hellish genocide of 25th March. Lesson 4, declaration of independence by Bangabandhu on 26th March. Lesson 5, preparation of liberation war and the formation of temporary government. Lesson 6, formation of Mukti Bahini and its activities. Lesson 7, activities and role of people who were against the liberation war. Lesson 8, the help and assistance from home and abroad in liberation war. Lesson 9, final war under the command of joint force. Lesson 10, genocide, mass killing and tortures. Lesson 11, surrender of Pakistani forces. So from chapter 2, you can take help from these lessons. Now come to the main topic, assignment or assigned task. Suppose in 1971, you are the student of class 8. Describe what you would do if you were present at the event below. You have to write down your feelings in any 3 cases. Option A, you are listening to the speech on March 7 at the racecourse ground. Option B, eyewitness to the March 25 genocide. Number C, Pakistan invaders and their accomplices Rajakar al-Badr al-Shams are torturing the locals. Number D, the invaders are chasing the freedom fighters. Number E, Pakistani forces are signing the surrender document on December 16. So student, look here, we have mentioned 5 incidents. You have to write down on 3 cases that you find suitable for you. Here A to E. You can see these 3 incidents. You have to explain on that 3 incident. Any 3. You can answer A, C, E, or you can answer A, B, C, A, D, E. It means you have to answer any 3. But you have to think that you are in the incident. You are present in that time. Look here, suppose in 1971 you are the student of class 8. So it means you have to go back to 1971 and you have to feel that you are the student of class 8 at that time. You have to describe what you would do if you were present at the event below. So you have to think about these events, any 3 events, and you have to describe about your activities if you are present that time. Now some instructions are given for you. Number 1, the importance and response of the March 7 speech, the horrors of the March 25th genocide, the activities of the opposition in the liberation war, the surrender of the Pakistani forces during the liberation war should be read carefully from the textbook. Number 2, the speech on March 7 can be read carefully from the textbook of Bangla first paper. Number 3, March 7th speech can be heard on YouTube or recorded if possible. Number 4, through the internet, newspapers, conversation with older family members, etc., one can get acquainted with the events of that time during the liberation war. So you can take help of all these. You can heard 7th March speech on YouTube or any recorded one you can heard. And also you can take help from Bangla first paper book, and also you can take from other sources through internet, newspaper, conversation with any elder person of your family. And here some criteria are given, assignment criteria. If you want to get excellent, you have to follow, you have to provide all these criteria for very good and need to progress. I hope you will all get excellent and will provide all the necessary informations in your assignment. Now again come back to the topic assignment or assigned tasks. Students, look at the first. You were listening to the speech on 7th March at the discourse ground. If you write on that, first you have to write something, some lines about the importance, about what happened on March 7 at discourse ground. Then you will write what you will do at that time if you are present there. Number B, eyewitness to the march to defy genocide. You know about this Operation Searchlight or March to defy genocide. So you have to write about the history. You have to write some lines on that, and then you have to explain what you will do if you are one of the eyewitness to the march to defeat genocide. Well, will you help to the innocent people? Will be on the side of Bengalis, or what is your activities? You will mention in your answer. Number C, Pakistani invaders and their accomplices Rajakar al-Badr al-Shams are torturing the locals. Same for this also. So at the time of 1971, some invaders like Rajakar al-Badr al-Shams, they used to torture our innocent people. So if you used to see, if you have to think that you were present at that time, you were watching that this type of invaders are torturing our innocent people. So that time, what is your duty? What you will do? What you might say to do? You will write on that. Like this, number D and E, you have to explain. I'm repeating again, you don't have to explain these 5. You will choose any 3 from these 5, any 3 incidents from these 5, and you will write down about the history of these 3 incidents, including your activities. If you are present, what will be your activities? And students, you have to do your assignment and have to submit it in your school, and the submission date is it will be 26th August 2021. That means on Thursday you have to submit your assignment. That's all for today, students. I hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your assignment and submit it in just time. That's all for today. See you in next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.